Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Huawei Matepad Paper and compare it with my hands. And to do this I brought this card that is the same size as any credit or debit card, just to help you see the size of my hands and compare it with yours. So let's start with a pen that comes with this device, and now I'm just gonna hold it like usual. Then we have the tablet itself, and sadly it's in a case, but still you might want to see how this looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.